Squarespace for supporting this video. From websites to online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform designed for any purpose to build your online presence. Hello, welcome to the second episode of this mini-series, Online Shop With Me, where I just go through all of my online shopping for the month, and then at the end of the video I sort of like review and try on everything that I bought. This episode I'm going to be focusing on spring shopping because spring is coming around, and this is like by far the period of the year where I buy the most clothing just because I love like florals and spring dresses and stuff like that. But as with our last episode, at the end of the video, just make sure to stay tuned. I'm going to be doing like monthly fan appreciation.
Yeah, show some appreciation.
Show some appreciation. I'm doing monthly fan appreciation giveaways. But until then, let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to the For Love and Lemons store, and oh no. My favorite season for Love and Lemons is spring and summer. I feel like this is where their brand really shines. They bring out all of like their fun silhouettes and all of their florals, and it's just like really floaty and really cute. I am looking at this Sivanna cropped cardigan, which I am so in love with. This is one of the first things that I gravitated towards when I was looking at their new collection. So I love this one because I think it's the perfect like bridging piece between the winter and the spring, because it's black but also has like a little bit of that floral detail, which I think is really cute. And I love the balloon sleeves, the Aster floral mini dress, and this is in the color peach floral. I love this like light pink color. I love the drawstrings and the puff sleeves, and one of my favorite things about their dresses is actually the drawstrings, because it makes the dress kind of adjustable for your height. And the last thing that I was looking at since last year actually is this Beaumont long sleeve top. I didn't know how I felt about this for the longest time because it's like a very cropped top. I feel like after a year of looking at this, I am finally ready to just buy it and see what it looks like in person. We are going to go to the Real, and the reason why I'm going to the Real is because I put up this Insta story. Where do you guys like to shop? Because I want to do some spring shopping, and that was for this video, and someone left this comment, the Real, and it kind of reminded me that the Real like exists. Like, I've never shopped from them before, but basically what they are is that they're a secondhand store. And I think that they focus mainly on luxury products. So I was looking through a couple of my favorite brands, and I found what I think is a pretty rare item that I was looking for. So last year, Say bought me a dress for my birthday. He bought me this dress from Reformation, but as you can see, it shrunk so much in the wash and it basically fits a toddler. All of their dresses are dry clean only, which I knew, but at the same time, I thought that I figured out how to wash them safely without having to take them to the dry cleaners. But in water, viscose can shrink. So luckily on the Real, when I was looking through their website, specifically at Reformation dresses, I luckily found the exact same dress in the size that I needed, which is a size 2. I like snatched it up so quick, and I'm just really excited to be able to like replace the dress that I sadly destroyed. I also found another dress in the exact same pattern, and so this is kind of like the sister dress to the one that I have, and this is a long midi dress. I think the midi slash maxi style is so romantic looking during the spring, and I love the self-tie spaghetti straps. That is probably one of like my favorite ongoing trends during like the hotter seasons. So I'm going to snatch this up. And I was also looking at Miu Miu, and I've never bought secondhand luxury goods. So I am very curious to see what that's like. Since it's getting really hot and really bright, I was looking at specifically sunglasses. So they have some Tinted Cat Eye Sunglasses. I don't know how exactly I feel about this shape. I'm still on the fence about this product, but I just really want to know what it's like to get secondhand luxury goods. I want to know like if they're actually like really well taken care of, if it's worth the price. Again, the price is really nice for what you're getting, which is like luxury sunglasses. Okay, then next we're going to Vivienne Westwood, and this is like the only like full price luxury product that I'm going to be buying in this video. I know in my last video I went pretty hardcore, but that was the treat yourself episode. I don't shop like that like every single month. I promised Say that he could pick anything that he wanted and I would get it for him as a present, as part of like Treat Yourself 2020. And he finally decided on the armor ring from Vivienne Westwood. Part of it is because we were watching Nana together and I was like so captured by like the coolness of the show. So I'm going to get him the gunmetal armor ring, and it's called Ruthenium on the site. I feel like most people know about the armor ring. It's like pretty iconic, especially because of Nana. Lastly, I do need to make one stop at a home goods store, and I need to buy a bookshelf. And I'm actually going to be going to Urban Outfitters, and I feel like most people don't really associate them with furniture, but I actually do really like their furniture. Like, I'm a pretty big fan. In terms of quality, it's not the best, but they do have really adorable designs. And I was looking far and wide for a bookcase that I liked, and I actually found one that I really love at Urban Outfitters. And it's called the Alana bookshelf. The price is amazing for one. It's only $200 for a bookcase, and I feel like that's ridiculously inexpensive. It has like a very like mod fun design, and I think that it's just going to fit really well with our furniture. And that is it for our shopping haul for this time, and I will touch base with you guys again when my pieces come in the mail. Hello, welcome to the second part of this video, the haul portion. I just want to say that this part of the video is going to be a little bit disjointed because some things came and some things didn't. But let's just get started. I'm already wearing the Beaumont long sleeve top because I couldn't help myself. It is so ridiculously cute. I am so glad that I bought this. I love the billowy fabric. It's so lightweight and so cute. I just love all of these like frilly fun details, like this self tie. It makes the bust like very adjustable, which I really appreciate. Overall, very cute product, 10 out of 10. For the other things that I got, not a 10 out of 10. So first, I am missing the cardigan. While I was waiting for this order, they randomly refunded me a portion of my payment without letting me know, without any emails, and I didn't realize that that was for the cardigan until the package came and it was just these two items. So I had to go back on their website and reorder the cardigan. But other than that, for now, let's talk about this Aster floral dress. I haven't even tried it on. I did open the package already, but I was so disappointed with it. The second I saw it that I just like put it away like out of my mind, and I like never touched it again. So this will be the first time that I'm trying on this dress. Already right off the bat, I don't plan on keeping this because I don't think that the product was reflected accurately in the website page. It is more of a very shiny peach fabric compared to the very like soft light pink fabric that it appeared to be in photos. Like, look at how bright and shiny and weird this is. I mean, maybe it's for some people, but it's definitely not for me, so I'm gonna try this on, probably gonna be disappointed, and then I'm just going to return it, and then I'm gonna wait for my cardigan. So I have never received anything from For Love and Lemons that I hated, and this dress is a complete abomination. It fits very oddly in some places, and it doesn't really keep up on its own. You can kind of see how it's just a lot of excess saggy fabric, and it just doesn't fit well. I think it's more of a patterning problem. I got 3 things from The RealReal, and they all came in these like little almost like cloth bags. Let me just go and order the things that I bought. I'm going to first open up the dresses. Finally. Okay, so this is the dress that I bought in replacement for that other dress that I shrunk. I mean, like, look at the size. It's obviously going to fit an adult, but I'm really glad that I was able to get this. The only thing that does bother me is that it didn't come with the tie that the dress originally comes from. So that is a bummer. Like, I wish that they put it on the website because I felt like that was a little bit misleading. Other than that, it is like perfect, in completely new condition. More than anything, I'm just really happy to have like replaced that dress because it was like a really big bummer for me. Then I have the other longer version of that dress. It's the full maxi dress version with the self-tie straps. It has like a little sweetheart neckline detail with like a ruching in the center, which I think is really cute. So up close, you can kind of see how the dress is crooked because the dress is actually falling apart and the seam is kind of dropping. So in the end, I probably will get this altered because it's a bit too big for me anyway, and I'll just end up fixing the waistline. But all in all, I would just recommend to buy pieces from The RealReal that you can actually return because this dress was final sale. Alright, so next I have the Muni Sunglasses, and I have a couple things to say. First, I'm just going to open it. So based off the description on the website, it says that it was in good quality, and I would say that it's less than good quality, to be honest. It does have like a lot of like markings, discoloration. It's just like not in like amazing condition, but I guess it's fine maybe. For me, it's like not the greatest first impression. I guess I don't really know what I expected, but I'm like not super pleased. The inside is also like not as clean as I thought it would be. They also put the wrong tag. This is a tag for another item. I think it's like a dress or something. For the glasses itself, like it's in pretty decent quality. I feel like it kind of just let down my expectations. I did have high hopes for it based off of what I've heard from other people and their shopping experience from the RealReal. But just personally, I don't think this is like a very good first impression for like my first secondhand luxury product. The last thing that we have today is the Armory from Vivienne Westwood. I do need your hand in just a second.
Okay.
Prepare your fingers.
Okay.
So it comes in a little pouch like this, and this is the Armory ring. I actually do really like this ring. Seeing him wear this kind of tempted me into buying my own, but I don't really think like it's my style, obviously, but it looks really good on him. He's really happy with it, and like I'm just happy that he likes it. Can you bring your fingers? Do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Your
It's
hands
really
are
cute.
really sweaty. Lastly, of course, the bookcase from Urban Outfitters did not make it on time, but I'm just going to slap that onto the end of my next month's haul. So in last month's shopping haul, some things that I wasn't able to include in that video because it didn't come in time, they actually came in time for me to include it in this video, and there's two products that I am going to be talking about. One is my mirror from CB2 and another one is my Mary Jane platform pumps from Miu Miu. I love, love, love the shoes. I'm so like much more pleased with them than I thought I was going to be initially. They are a little bit painful, I have to admit, but I know it's because I haven't broken them in yet, because I know with those kind of shoes you do have to break them in. Hopefully they'll be more comfortable in the future, but I can definitely walk like a full day in them, which is really, really nice. Then for the mirror, I got a full body mirror, and simply put, I do give it like 2.5 stars out of 5. As a customer who shops at CB2 pretty often, I have very high expectations from them, and those expectations are reflected in the price. Like their products are pricey, and the product that I got didn't live up to those standards. Basically, the mirror, you can see glue all around the edges. It looks very badly done, but overall, I still like the product enough to keep it. I am just very disappointed. So now you guys are at the end of the video where I'm going to be doing my little fan appreciation giveaway. So every single month, I'm going to try my best to put a giveaway along with my online shopping series. And basically, the gist of it is that I get a ton of PR packages, and realistically, like I can't go through all of it because I'm like one person. Basically, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. Just leave a comment down below about your favorite part of this video. It could be literally anything, just your favorite part, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Princess May, because next week I am going to be announcing the winner that I randomly select on my Instagram story, and you guys will have to DM me from there so that we can like exchange information and I can send you guys out a package. So that is the only way I can contact the winner, so be sure to follow me. So yeah, that's it for this week's video.
And thank you again to Squarespace for supporting this channel. With tons of easy to use templates, you can easily tailor a website entirely to your personal needs. It's designed for any purpose, from e-commerce, professional services, to my personal favorite, portfolios. Head on over to squarespace.com/Mayan for a free trial and use my code Mayan for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys again next week. Stay safe and wash your hands.